I'm on my way, as y'all see from the title and the thumbnail, man. On my way to bowl, man. I got a new ball, but it's not new. If that make any sense, I done had it for a while, but I wasn't never able to use it because at the time, but the way the ball was drilled was too wide for my hands to actually fully hold it. We're going to practice, man. I got my one bowling ball, which is the physics. I feel some type of way because I can't throw it no more, man. Like, it just hooked too much. I guess I'm gonna say don't look for the gains to be too high. Nevertheless, man, I done talked enough, man. Let's get it, let's go. Yo, real quick before we start this video, man, huge shout out to Shine Armor. If y'all, want to get y'all car popping like I'm about to show y'all on mine, then, you know what I'm saying, tap into the link. It will be below, Shine Armor. And, new sponsorship, man, partnership, you know what I'm saying? So, tap into the link and, use my promo code, JP Chevy. Let's show a little bit of something. You heard me? So as I said, if you wanted to pop shine like this right here, man, then tap into them. Shine Armor, man. Link will be in the description below. Promo code JP Chevy. Gonna get into a little bit of the action here. Let's get it, man. Let's go. So as y'all see, man, the hood is nice and dirty, and I left it like that. As y'all notice, the bottle is sitting on the hood as well. So let's see what it do after I spray it up. Real dirty too. Yes,
JP Chevy.
So as y'all see, all nice, clean, shined up. Let's test it out though. Yes, Shine Armor. Tap into the link. JP Chevy, promo code. If y'all true rockers and rock with me like y'all say y'all do, then tap into it. 20% off. 20% off. Again, promo code JP Chevy. 20% off. All sprays and bottles. Don't even have to go to the car wash anymore. You can just use it right here at home. Yes, sir. So I found two things, man. With this ball here, working the middle of the lane, ready to go out and come in, and stand in the middle for my spare on the 7 pin. That's one of the major things that I was wanting to come see. Like I say, man, my scores weren't gonna be that high. Just a little practice. Y'all see on 168. Like I say, my average is 184 though. So, yeah. Hey man, this is JP Chevy, man. Please hit the like button, subscribe, comment. Be sure to share. I'm out of here. I'm out. Did he get that spare? Yeah!
But I don't know how you do it. Don't know how you do it, man. I mean, dudes get it.
Yo, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Most importantly, click that bell so you can be notified every time that I upload.